Welcome to this video on the top job skills for 2026. Launch your cloud computing career. The cloud talent gap is expanding rapidly, so we will cover everything you need to know to enter this field, advance, and secure a job. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Guidance and AI Foundation series. The global cloud computing market is projected to reach $947 billion by 2026. However, the talent needed isn't keeping up. By 2026, over 90% of organizations will face IT skills shortages, costing an estimated $5.5 trillion. This makes the opportunity for cloud professionals immense. Chapter 1 focuses on the market landscape. Understanding where the cloud industry is now and where it is going provides you with a crucial competitive advantage. Cloud computing roles are projected to grow by 25% through 2033, making it one of the fastest-growing fields in tech. The U.S. will see over 317,000 annual openings. Despite this demand, 95% of enterprises cite a lack of cloud talent as a major roadblock. In the U.S., a mid-level cloud engineer averages $118,000 to $148,000. In the UK, AWS-certified solutions architects earn around £60,000. In India, AWS architects average 2 million rupees per year, with the Asia-Pacific cloud spending growing about 14% annually. Cloud computing is one of the most rapidly growing sectors in the tech industry. The global market is estimated at $623 billion and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 17.2% through 2030. High-paying cloud roles are available worldwide in regions like North America, Europe, and Asia-Pacific. Some fast-hiring, entry-level cloud roles include Cloud Engineer, DevOps Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, Cloud Solutions Architect, and FinOps Analyst. These roles cover critical areas from infrastructure deployment and automation to security and financial governance. A deep dive into the cloud engineer role reveals a median salary of $130,000 in the U.S. Core tools include Terraform, Kubernetes, and AWS CloudFormation. This role is projected to be in the top 15% of in-demand tech roles globally by 2026. Cloud Solutions Architects design scalable and cost-optimized enterprise infrastructure. Salaries can reach $150,000 to $183,000 with professional AWS or GCP certification. Key duties involve architecture design and migration planning. Top employers include Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. The average salary for a DevOps engineer is $125,000 to $155,000 in the U.S., with premiums for Kubernetes experts. Key focus areas for 2026 include GitOps and infrastructure as code. The demand for these roles is forecasted to grow by over 45% in the next 3 years. Chapter 2 covers the core skills employers crave. The most successful cloud professionals combine technical knowledge with strong business acumen. Mastering this skill stack is key to getting hired and promoted. Hard skill 1 is multi-cloud platform mastery. Top professionals architect across platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. The ability to translate technical work into tangible results, such as reducing infrastructure costs, differentiates candidates. Hard skill 2 is infrastructure as code, or IAC. With cloud infrastructure managed programmatically, IAC expertise is mandatory. Mastery of tools like Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, and Pulumi for provisioning is essential. Kubernetes expertise can push senior cloud engineer salaries above $160,000. Hard skill 3 is cloud security and compliance. Securing workloads and ensuring regulatory compliance is a high-demand specialization. Core knowledge areas include IAM, Zero Trust architecture, and data encryption. A significant 64% of IT executives see the cloud talent shortage as the #1 barrier to adopting emerging cloud technologies. Hard skill 4 is FinOps and cloud cost optimization. As cloud budgets rise, professionals who can optimize spending are highly valued. Organizations waste an estimated 30% of cloud spend. FinOps engineers reduce waste, directly impacting the bottom line and gaining executive visibility quickly. Soft skill 1 is storytelling and executive communication. Technical skills get you in the room, but communication skills get you promoted. Cloud leaders cite the ability to translate infrastructure complexity into business language as the #1 factor for leadership roles. Soft skill 2 is systems thinking and problem solving. Cloud outages can cost millions per hour. Employers value engineers who can think in distributed systems, anticipate failure modes, and architect for resilience under pressure. Soft skill 3 is continuous learning and adaptability. Cloud platforms evolve constantly, making staying current a professional obligation. Professionals who commit to lifelong learning consistently outpace peers in both salary and promotion speed. To build your competitive edge, focus on a layered approach. Foundations come first, followed by cloud platforms, then business acumen, with leadership at the top. Chapter 3 covers learning pathways and programs. From free sandbox environments to intensive boot camps, 2026 offers more high-quality cloud training than ever before. The question isn't whether you can learn, it's where to start. There are many free and low-cost resources. AWS Skill Builder offers free labs and courses. Microsoft Learn provides free Azure modules with LinkedIn badges. Google Cloud Skills Boost offers free hands-on labs and skill badges. Some high ROI certifications include the entry-level AWS Cloud Practitioner, which provides an average $15,000 starting salary bump. For senior roles, the AWS Solutions Architect Professional offers high earning potential. The future of cloud education is adaptive and intelligent. Platforms like A Cloud Guru and Microsoft Learn AI for Cloud utilize AI to provide adaptive learning paths, accelerating skill acquisition. Immersive boot camps offer fast-track learning. Programs like the Linux Foundation Cloud Engineer Bootcamp and Cloud Academy Hands-On Labs provide real-world, portfolio-ready experience in cloud-native tools and architecture. Both degrees and self-paced certification paths lead to strong salaries. A hybrid path, combining a degree with multi-cloud certifications, often yields the highest earnings, with a 25% to 40% salary premium. A 12-month learning timeline includes months 1 through 3 on foundations, 4 through 6 on hands-on labs, 7 through 9 for certification prep, and 10 through 12 for building your professional portfolio. Chapter 4 is about building your personal roadmap. Following these 5 steps turns ambition into action, helping you move toward your first or next cloud computing role. Step 1 is self-assessment. Benchmark your current profile against live cloud job postings. Identify your transferable skills and pinpoint your biggest platform gaps. Use tools like CyberSeek and LinkedIn Salary to guide your assessment. Step 2 is to choose a specialization. Use the decision matrix to score specializations based on personal interest, market salary, and skill gap. This helps identify the optimal path, such as cloud security or cloud architect. Step 3 is hands-on labs. Deploy real infrastructure using the AWS free tier, or use browser-based environments like CodeCloud. Building a strong GitHub portfolio with cloud projects is a powerful hiring signal in 2026. Step 4 focuses on portfolio and proof of value. Employers want results, not just certifications. Build a portfolio that demonstrates your capabilities before day one. Publish a Terraform module or a WSCDK project on GitHub and create a detailed cloud architecture case study quantifying cost savings. Step 5 is networking and mentorship. Attend industry conferences like AWS re:Invent and Microsoft Ignite to meet hiring managers. Join online communities for job leads and peer accountability, and seek out a mentor to accelerate your career trajectory. Your 24-month cloud career roadmap breaks down your journey into quarterly milestones. Quarter 1 is foundations. Quarter 2 focuses on certifications. Quarter 3 involves real projects and internships. And Quarter 4 is dedicated to the job search. Your first action today is to start. Visit AWS Skill Builder and launch the free AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials course. Pro tip: screenshot your first AWS skill badge and add it to your LinkedIn profile to signal to recruiters that you are actively building cloud skills. The $947 billion market is waiting, and you have the roadmap with the necessary skills, certifications, communities, and mentors. Start your first free cloud lab today. Every great career begins with a single action.